Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail what is the difference between side button and digital crown on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, there are two buttons you should be familiar with. The side button and then the digital crown. And on Apple Watch series, they are both located in the same area. You have the digital crown, which is rotatable, this one, and then you have the side button. The side button stands for the control center. So if you want to access your Apple Watch control center, all you simply need to do is go ahead and then press the side button once. Then it should say the control center information like this. Also, if you want to turn off your Apple Watch, you just need to press the side button and hold it. Then go ahead and click on the power button at the top right. Then slide to power off. However, if you want to turn on your Apple Watch as well, you need to use the side button. But with the digital crown, you can use this for volume up or rotate on your screen or volume down on your screen. Also, if you want to go to your app menu on your Apple Watch, just need to go ahead and press the digital crown once and then select the application you want to open on your Apple Watch. Once it's selected, you can also use the digital crown to rotate the screen instead of using the screen like this. So use the digital crown to rotate the screen, and then you can also use the digital crown to pop your recently opened apps on your Apple Watch by double clicking the digital crown consistently. So here you see all open apps on your Apple Watch like this. You see that? So that is the difference between the digital crown and the side button on your Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.